Okay, Shang, ni aku buat apa nama ni? Sagittal view. Nah, vagina over here, ni bladder sini, cervix. Okay, and then look inside here. So macam pelik lah, multiple cystic gini. But then bila you mu tengok sini, mu akan nampak this is your sac. Aku turn sikit, tengok sini sikit over here, and you can see fetal heart visualize. Tu tak kau? Fetal heart. Nah, nampak fetal heart. So this is fetal pole with your sac. Ni your sac. Okay, now aku pergi ni balik. Okay, zoom out balik sikit sekejap. Okay. So ni gapo ni, Shang? Is it blood clot or what? Patient bleeding like period. Okay, this is transverse view. This thing, and bila aku turn, this is the IUGS with fetal pole and your sac with fetal heart over here. Okay, dah. Okay.